Hey everyone, so this side Shubhi from Key IIT Group of Institution, Computer Science Department, Section C. So today in computer networks, we are going to study on the topic topologies. So there are mainly four type of topologies. So first topology is the bus topology. So what happens in bus topology is, in this arrangement, all the devices are connected with one single cable that transmits data from one end to the other end in a single direction. Okay, bus topology has two endpoints, each which is connected to a special device called terminator. So this is a terminator here. It has a simple layout that is easy to install, maintain and extend. The entire network is based on a single cable. If the cable fails, then the entire network goes down. Resuming network service in such a case could cost the organization a lot of time. So since the data travels in one direction only, high traffic volume could decrease the network performance, and it is an old concept that isn't used for office network anymore. Okay. So the second type of topology that we are studying is the ring topology. So what happens in ring topology is, in this arrangement the devices are connected in a closed loop setup wherein the last device connect to the first device. Okay, so every last device connect to the first device. So this is the last, suppose, then it connect to the first. Okay, so ring topology has no endpoint, so there are no endpoints in ring topology, right? So each device in this network can have exactly two neighbors. It has a main device that's responsible for carrying out all the operations, and this device is known as monitor station. Okay, so a ring passes information in one direction only, clockwise, but can be configured to pass information in both the direction, and this setup is called dual ring topology. So in dual ring topology, you can send the signal in both the directions. Okay, ring networks are faster than the bus network. So in comparison to bus, ring networks are more faster. Okay, but are difficult to troubleshoot. Could increase the chances of unwanted power consumption as the data is being circulated all the time. Okay, so the next type of topology, so this was all about the ring topology. Now the next kind of topology that we are going to study is the star topology. So what happens in star topology is, in this arrangement all the devices are connected to a central device. So this is the central device, okay, known as the hub. So this is your hub, which is a central device. Okay, so each device in this topology is directly connected to the hub and indirectly connected to the other devices. So if a device fails, it can be easily replaced without affecting the other device. Okay, if the hub fails, the entire network goes out of operation. Okay, the limited availability of input ports in the central hub limits the size of the network. Cost of the installation and maintenance is high as compared to the bus or ring topology. Easy to set up and troubleshoot, and this is most popular topology in the LAN networks. So in large area networks, when we are using, we usually prefers the star topology. Okay, in LAN, okay, we usually prefers the star topology. Now the next kind of topology that we are studying here is the mesh topology. So what happens exactly in mesh topology is, this arrangement forms a channel of the network, okay, in which all the devices are connected through dedicated point-to-point links. Okay, so there are point-to-point links in which all the devices are connected. Further categorized as partial mesh and full mesh topology. Full mesh has all the devices interconnected, with partial mesh has a few exceptional devices which are connected to the other 2 or 3 devices only. Okay, does not rely on any central point of data communication. If cable fails, the data still has the another path to travel. Point-to-point links help in reducing network traffic, and private secure connection eliminate the possibility of unauthorized access, expensive to implement. Thank you.